all know student learning should lead the next lesson. The challenge has never been the vision, it's been the time. Today, I'm showing you how student learning insights become your next instructional move in seconds, not hours. You already get clarity from Boost Learning Insights, but now Brisk takes it to the next level, turning those insights into tailored instruction with next ideas. Right now on my screen, you're getting a glimpse into the learning insights from Brisk Boost. You might wonder, well, how did I get here? So let's back up just a moment. Brisk Boost uses Safe AI to turn any resource into an interactive student learning experience that reveals understanding and helps guide your next instructional move. Let me show you how. Right now, I've pulled up a web article on what is a cell. I'm now going to come over to Brisk and I'm going to open up my extension. Now, once I'm here, you'll see the option for Boost Student Activity. I'm going to go ahead and click that. From here, I can choose Create from this web page, or I can even start from scratch. Remember, you can use Brisk with PDFs, slides, web articles, any of your docs, and so much more. Right now, I'm going to choose Create from this web page. To show you how to access those learning insights and also the next ideas, I'm just going to build out a quick Boost activity. Now you can see here I did select a science class. You'll notice too that you can always come through and choose how you want to engage. Today I've selected a tutor, but you'll see many other options in here. You can select what's best for your own students. I always recommend being very specific with your prompt. You can always add as much as you'd like. I'm going to come down now and click Continue. Next, we can go through and customize our activity. You'll notice here that I do have all of my learning objectives, and of course I can add more. I can also come into my AI guardrails and adjust those, and anything I'd like for scaffolding too. All right, next up, we're going to create the activity. We're now inside a Brisk Boost student activity on What is a Cell. You'll see that on the right-hand side, the chat has already started. So now Brisk Boost will interact with my students and really act as a tutor, following the AI guardrails, the scaffolding, and the learning objectives that I set along with Brisk. Students can respond to Brisk right here in the chat. They can also refer back to the article, and of course, they can view their learning objectives, but teachers can also choose to hide those too. Now, as students go through this as the teacher, you can monitor progress. Here's how we do that. From Brisk Next, your AI hub on the web, you can always go right to My Library. Now, if you're used to working from the extension, you might wonder, how do I get to Brisk Next from my extension? So let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Brisk Bee to open the extension. You'll see up at the top, I do have my home icon, and that's going to take me right to Brisk Next. And again, I can access My Library. Now I can review any of the activities I've created. You'll also see on the left-hand side, I can look at activities specifically, I can go to bundles, and I can also search for podcasts. So you have lots of options here. Here in my library, I can search for any of the activities I've created. Now in this case, I see What is a Cell right here. I'm going to come over and I'm going to click that arrow, and this is going to open up the Learning Insights. This is where we started today. Learning Insights are invaluable. Every teacher is constantly making the same decisions. What needs reinforcement? Who needs support? What comes next to elevate learning? Learning Insights answered the first part, and Next Ideas answers the next part for you. Next Ideas generates personalized learning activities straight from student performance. If students need review, it builds foundational support. If they're ready to apply, it creates deeper learning experiences. If they're ready to show mastery, it builds assessment-ready tasks. I'm going to go ahead and click Next Ideas and show you what happens. Brisk has generated all kinds of activities to help prepare, engage, and assess student learning. Now, this isn't just activity creation, it's instructional direction. Now, on the right-hand side, you'll see that you now have access to the Brisk Next chat. This is where you can refine any of the recommendations from Brisk. Additionally, everything within Brisk is fully customizable. You can come up to Create and be able to preview the activity. You can come Edit if you want to make adjustments to the prompt. And of course, you can always add the plus sign to build a bundle of resources. Remember that we do have videos on all of the features we're hitting on today. As an educator myself, I know we've been trying to tailor instruction like this for years. This is the most precise, actionable version yet. Give Next Ideas from Boost Learning Insights a try and follow along for more.